everyone. In this tutorial, we shall try to find the coefficients of linear regression using C programming. So let's begin. Okay, INC, okay, include. Now next we shall declare the variables. We have declared sum of x to be equal to 0, sum of y to be equal to 0, sum of x square to be 0, sum of y square to be 0, and sum of xy also to be equal to 0. And next we shall define the type of I and type of n. N is the number of variables and I is the counter variable. Also we'll define the type of x, y and the coefficients a and b. This will print enter the value of n in the output. Now it is used to enter the data points. This means we'll enter the x and y. Now we'll use the for loop. Since the value will be repeated, or the value will continue from I as initial value up to n, that means up to the sample size. Since x and y are float data type, so we have used the type specifier as %f and %f. Now we will write the statement, the logic actually. Sum x plus x, sum x square equal to sum x square plus x into x. Similarly, sum of y, sum y plus y, sum y square equals to sum y square plus y times y, sum xy and here our for loop is finished. Next, what we are intended to do, next we'll write the formulas for the linear regression coefficients. This is the simplified formula, you can check it. We are finished with beta, that means b. Now we'll write a. A is what? Y bar minus beta cap x bar. So sum y minus beta times sum x whole divided by n. So we are done. Next we will write printf the linear regression coefficients are and printf %f will use one escape sequence \t that will give some space in between a and b. And we are done. Since we have used int main, so we'll write return 0 at the end. Now we'll run this. So build is succeeded. Now we'll check its output. Let me see where is the output here. Okay, here. Yeah, look, we are asked to find the we are asked to enter the value of n. Suppose we will enter only 5 values, so let's write 5. Wait, just wait a minute. Yeah, enter the value of n, 5. Now we'll enter the data points in x and y format. Suppose 5 is x, 8 is y, and likewise it will continue. Look, we have got the linear regression coefficients. The A is 4.92 approximately, and B is 0.285714. So here we are done. Thanks for watching.